Voltaic cell. A voltaic cell, also known as galvanic cell, is shown in figure. It contains two metal rods made of different materials and a liquid called an electrolyte, placed in a glass or plastic container. The rods, called electrodes, are partly dipped in the electrolyte, which is usually a weak acid or salt solution. A chemical reaction between the rods and the electrolyte produces electricity. When the circuit is connected, electric current flows from the positive terminal through the circuit to the negative terminal. Over time, the chemicals get used up and the cell stops working. It is then called dead and cannot supply any more electricity. When an electric current passes through a conductor, it gets heated. This warming is known as the heating effect of electric current. Lifting electromagnets are strong electromagnets that may be hung to the cranes. The crane operator can control the magnet by switching the current on and off. When the current is turned on, the electromagnet lifts the iron steel objects. When the current is switched off, magnetic field disappears and the objects are released. Lifting electromagnets are widely used in factories and scrapyards to move, lift, and sort heavy metal items efficiently. When electric current flows through a conductor, like a wire, it produces a magnetic field around it. This phenomenon is known as the magnetic effect of electric current. The magnetic field disappears when the current stops flowing. Thanks for watching.